Amelia, how are you? Thank you for joining us tonight. We're gonna play this next song. It's a Luke Combs song. Keep your fingers crossed. It's actually one of his first big hits that he had. He's been scoring with the hits ever since this one. It's one of the big ones. Those huge stars.